Welcome to another YouTube tutorial from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to upload a video to your YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my entire YouTube tutorial training playlist where I show you how to set up your channel, your keywords, and more advanced features. But for today's tutorial is very basic, just how to upload your video. Once you're logged into your YouTube account with your computer or PC, go up to this create icon up here, this button, and click on that, and then click on upload video. And here you can either drag and drop your video file, or you can click this button right here to select your file. And when you select your file, just browse to the folder and find your video file, and then simply select it and click open. And now you will see that the video file is uploading, and you can see the progress down here. And if you have a big video file such as HD video, it may take maybe an hour or 2 hours. If you have small video files, it can take less than 5 minutes to fully process. And once it's done, it'll say finish processing. Now here you can enter in a title and a description, so just call it whatever you want. And be sure to always have at least some kind of keyword in your title. In a separate video, I'll show you guys about keyword research and how to select your keywords for your videos. But for now, let's just focus on the basics of uploading a video. So you have your title, a description. Make sure you include your website if you have one, and any other social network like Facebook page or affiliate link if you have any. All right, once you have that, click on next. Now, when you first start out with YouTube, you will not have a monetization enabled. So you won't be seeing these settings here. But if you do have it enabled, this right here, non-skippable video ads, is always unchecked for some reason. So make sure you check this box here to maximize your type of ads that can be displayed on your video. So just check every box. So that's monetization. Now click on next. Now video elements, you can add an end screen and also add in cards to promote your related content. Okay, so let's check out the end screen. Click on add, and here you can either import from a video with an end screen you already have for another video, and then you can just copy it by importing it. And here are some particular styles or template you can use for your videos. So you can select from one of these right here. Just to keep it simple, let's select this one. So it already automatically add in a end screen element here. This is your most recent uploaded video. So near the end of your video, here's your timeline. So this video has a total runtime of 1 minute and 47 seconds, and this end screen will start at 1 minute and 27 seconds. So usually about 20 seconds before the end of your video, your end screen will play, and you can adjust your end screen to another time if you want, like 10 seconds before the end of the video. But default 20 seconds is just fine. And you can move your elements around. And this is your subscribe icon here. So right now there's 3 elements: your subscribe icon, your video most recent upload, and your best for viewers. You can even add other things like a playlist or a channel, another channel, or your own channel. The subscribe is already default right here, the circle, your YouTube channel icon image, and a link to your website if you have that enabled. So to add, for instance, a playlist element, just click on that, and now you can select from one of your playlists, and so it's added right here. and it gives me this warning saying that an element cannot overlap another element. So right here you can see there's an overlap right here, so you want to make it separate them. And that's how you add an element for the end screen. It's pretty basic, and just play around with it. So that's pretty much it for that. Let's save. Now cards, it's kind of similar to the end screen where you can add in elements, but this time you can add it anywhere you like. So these are pretty useful if, say, you have a video and you're either promoting some kind of product, or you're talking about some kind of video or another one of your videos. You can link to your website here. You can click, say, this link right here, click on create, and then add in your link URL. So this link URL has to be approved in your account before you can actually link to an external URL. And in another video I'll show you guys how to do that. So once you have a website approved, you can link to as many URLs as you want coming from the same domain. So once you have that, click next. And then now you can add in a card title and a call to action and a teaser text and also an image. So here's my usual teaser text: get my free marketing ebooks, and call to action is just check it out. So let's create the card and then let's check out, see how it works right here. Alright, so here you can see it expanded this icon right here, this notification, to let viewers know that if, for instance, I'm talking about a free ebook or something, this will pop up, and then the viewer can click or tab. If they're using a mobile device or something, they will see this, they click on it or tap this icon here, they see my free gift or affiliate offer or some kind of offer, they can check it out. And that's roughly how it works. Alright, now let's click on another card. So you can add in a video or playlist, a channel, a poll, if you want to your viewers to vote on something, and you can add it anywhere you like on your video timeline here. So that's basically how it works, and you can add up to 5 cards. And once you're finished, click return to the YouTube studio. Okay, now let's click on next, and here is the visibility, and I'm not sure why it is automatically defaulted as unlisted, so make sure you click on public where everybody can see your video. And down here, instant premiere. When you're starting out, you're probably not gonna use this feature, so just set it to public and then click on publish here to publish your video instantly. And if you set your video to unlisted, this means that your video will still be public. Anyone with a link to your video can view it, but it will not be listed in the YouTube search engine. And if you choose private, that means only you or people that you have given special permission to can see your video. And that's how simple it is to upload a YouTube video. And I will definitely share more tips on more strategies for YouTube success. So be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more tips and tricks and tutorials on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy YouTubing.